Brain, the Inside Story celebrates the human brain. This exhibition was developed by the American Museum of Natural History, and Frost Science is very excited to welcome it to the Miami community. We have different components here in the exhibition that looks at the actual anatomy of the brain. We have this tactile activity that's called Build a Brain, where you almost put the brain together as a puzzle. We also have, as you enter the exhibition, this artistic representation of what our neural networks look like. So we have these specialized brain cells, which we call neurons, that are constantly connecting with each other. You see all these lights firing and just illustrating how complex our brains really are. In the changing brain zone, we actually have on display two brains that have been preserved through a special plastination technique. You can see what a brain without disease looks like and a brain that has gone through Alzheimer's looks like. And you'll see a very clear difference in between how the two hemispheres are connected together. Another one of my favorite exhibits actually shows how the human brain is different yet similar to other animals. So you'll see something like a sea slug, which has no brain but still has a neural network. You'll see a lizard, which has a very primitive type of brain with a cerebellum and the brainstem. You'll see a primate who is similar to our brains but not quite as developed. And then you'll see the human brain, which is just amazing. The topic in this exhibition is so relatable. It's of interest to every single person. So leaving here, you can go through the whole experience and just get a little bit of perspective of how your brain works. Or if you spent more time through it, you can also get a very deep understanding of how our brain has to just gather all this information, multitask at the same time, and then has this immense power to process it all and really makes us us.